Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is Mathematics 2024 of GCE, and today we are going to record the 28th lecture. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday we started the factorization, which is a very important and huge topic in mathematics, especially in algebra. So let us move forward. I wrote the questions in advance. Today we are going to do part number C, and that is factorization. Yesterday I told you that factorization is the reverse of uh, expansion. So let us do this question, and there is one thing new for you people to learn inside it. Ladies and gentlemen, I am taking 9 is the common, and then B is here and B is here. So 9B I am taking is common. Y is here but no Y is here, and then you have to write what should we multiply with this so that 27 we get, and that is 3. And here what should we multiply with this 9 so we get the 36, and that is 4y. Because we took B out of it, B is here, so both B's are out. You don't have to write it again. I told you that you will learn one thing inside it, the new. Ladies and gentlemen, you will say that we can take 3 as well common from it. Because if we are taking 3 as a common, then it will be 9. 3b is a common, so it will be 9 and 4y. 3b, no, 12y. So again you can take the 3 as a common, and if you are taking, because 12 and 9 is coming in the table of what? The table of 3. So again, if I am taking 3 as a common, so it will be 3 minus 4y, which is this answer. That is how many times you will take. And let me remind you that for this particular purpose, you learn HCF. You have to find the HCF of this 27 and 36 and highest common factor. This is the lowest, this is the least, but we have to find the highest common factor. Then we are dividing it 3 nines are and 3 12s are. Again it can be done by 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. whenever you reached Whenever you reach to this point, then stop division, and that will be the answer. This is called highest common factor, and this is 3 multiplied by 3, and that is equal to 9. And when this is 9, so you have to take this one as a common, remember, not 3. So that was the thing I wanted to tell you. uh, you have to take this common. Now next question is that I am seeing that what can be taken as common. 4 is here, 4 is here, 4 is here. Yes, 8 is coming in the table of 4. So you have to take 1 4. A is here, A is here, A is here. So you have to take that as a common one. X is here, but no X is here, and no X is. C is here, but no C is in the other terms. So when 4 twos are, so 2 and X will remain. And then for 3, A is a common one, so we have to leave it as it is. And then minus C, because we took this 4A is a common one. So only C is remaining. Ladies and gentlemen, let us remind you that when you multiply this with this, again you will get the same answer. Agar if you are not taking this as a common one, and not getting the same answer, then you did wrong. Here the common is 2 and m is also common. So 2 minus 3y minus 9z is the answer. Now here you have to do one step more. First you have to evaluate this 2 over 3 multiplied by 9x minus 2 over 3 multiplied by 3y, and then this 3 will be cancelled with this one, and this 3 will be cancelled with this one. So we will be left with y minus 6x and minus 2y. Now again in these two you can get 2 is a common one. So y minus 2 into 3x plus y, and that will be the ultimate answer. Let us remind you one thing, that when you are taking negative as a common one, so the sign will change. Now minus 1 over 3, and first we have to evaluate this 6p plus 6q, and then I have to write minus, and then I have to write p minus 2p plus 6q, and then I have to close this bracket and this bracket as well. Now the final uh, step will be 1 over 3, in fact the second last, that 6p plus 6q minus, here you have to write minus 3 as well, this 3. So when this is multiplied with it, it will be minus 3p plus 6p minus 18q. And finally, I have to multiply this with each term. So when this is multiplied with this, 3 ones are and 3 twos are, minus 6p, and then when this is multiplied with this one, minus 2q, and here it will be plus p, and here it will be minus 2p, and here it will be uh, plus 6q. Now we have to add the same terms, and then we have to get the answer. Minus 6p and minus 2p is equal to minus 8p. Minus 2q plus 6q is equal to 4q, and plus p and minus 2p, sorry, 1p is also here. So minus 6p plus p and minus 2p, minus 8p and plus p minus 7p. And then we are having this minus 2q plus, and this will be the final answer after the expansion. Ladies and gentlemen, let us do this part, and this is we have to take the LCM as 6. So when this is divided by this 3, we will get 2, and that 2 will be multiplied with 7. So 14x plus 3, and this plus, when this is divided by, sorry, this is divided by this, so 3 sevens are 21. So ladies and gentlemen, then we divide this 6 by, and then it will become 10 2x minus 5. Now we have to evaluate 21x plus 63 divide by 6, and then plus 10 to the 20x minus 50. So here I am writing the final answer. 21x and 20x is 41x, and then 63 minus 50 will be plus 13. Divide by 6. This is the answer. Now let us turn our focus to this one. Here I am taking 10 as the LCM. When 10 is divided by 5, it will give you 2, and you have to multiply this 2 with this expression. Now minus symbol will come on its place. When 10 is divided by 2, it will give you 5, and 5 threes are 15, and x minus 1 is the answer. So 6x minus 8 minus 15x plus 15, and then we will get 10. And finally, 6x minus 15x. 6x and minus 15x will give you minus 9x. And minus 8 and plus, so it will give you plus 7 divided by 10, and that is the ultimate answer. So now we are taking 20 is the LCM. 5 threes are 15, and z minus 2 minus 4 fours are 16 to z minus 3. Here I will get 15z minus 30 minus 32z plus 48, and that will be divided by 20. Ladies and gentlemen, 15z and minus 32z will give you 17 minus 17z, uh, and then minus 30 and 48 will give you plus 18. Divide by 20, and that is the ultimate answer in this case. Here I am taking this 6 is the LCM, 4p minus 4q minus 9 into 2p plus q. So here I am writing it somewhere else because we don't have the space here. So let us do it here. 4p, I am doing it directly because we have less space. So 4p minus 18p. So it will be minus 14p. Minus 4q and minus q. So it will be minus 5q whole divided by 6, and that is the answer. Now here I am taking as the LCM as 15, and this 5 will be multiplied with this. So minus 10b, and this 3 will be multiplied with this. So minus 9 into a minus 2b. So here I am writing minus 10b minus 9a plus 18b and whole divide by 15. Whole divide by 15. Minus 10b and plus 18b will give you 8b, and minus 9a is alone, so we have to write it like this, divide by 15. Now there are three terms, but it doesn't matter if there are 15 terms as well once your basic concept is clear. So here I am taking as the LCM as 20. So 8 into x plus 3 minus 10 plus 5 into 3x minus 4. And you know how. 8x plus 24 minus 10 plus 15x minus 20 whole divide by 20. So 8x plus 15x will give you 23x. 24 minus 10, 14, 14 minus 20. So minus 6, and that will be the ultimate answer. Now here I am taking as 12 is the LCM. So 6 into a plus 1 minus, and then 4 into a plus 3, and then minus 3 into 5a minus 2. Ladies and gentlemen, let me erase the whiteboard because we don't have space here. So I will come back after erasing the whiteboard. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us start from that position. I not erase this question because we have to do it here. So 6a plus 6 minus 4a minus 12, and then minus 15a minus 15a, and then plus 6 whole divided by 12. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have to add a part 6a minus 4a will give you 2a, and 2a minus 15 will give you minus 13a. Now the constant 6 plus 6 12, and 12 minus 12, that will be cancelled. So minus 13a divided by 12 is the ultimate answer. Now we are turning our focus to question number uh, H part, question number 6 and H part. H part is saying that x plus 1, so we will take 6 is the LCM here. When we divide this 6 by 2, it will give you 3, and you have to multiply that 3 with this x plus 1 plus divide this by this, so 2 and 2x plus 3 minus, and that will be 5x minus 1, because it will give you 1 and you have to multiply minus 1 with that. So here I have to expand it, 3x plus 3 plus 2x plus 6 minus 5x plus 1, and whole divide by 6. Similar term will be added. So 3x plus 2x 5x and minus 5x, so it will cancel. And plus 3 and plus 6 and plus 1 will give you 10. So answer will be 10 over 6. But because 10 is divisible by 6, so it will give you 1 whole 4. We can cut it first to 3s and to 5s. So when 5 is divided by this 6 3, then it will give you 3 ones are 3, and 1 whole 2 over 3 will be the answer. 1 whole 2 over 3 will be the answer. Now next part is given is this. So first we have to take is the LCM of these three, and that is 14. When we divide this 14, 2 and 2 twos are 4a minus b minus 2a plus 3b and plus 7. So 7 we have to multiply with b. Now we have to expand it, 4a minus 4b minus 2a minus 3b plus 7a plus 7b. And then we have to write over all as 4. So here I have to get the final answer by adding or subtracting the same terms. 4a minus 2a will give you 2a plus 7a, 9a. 9a minus 4b minus 3b minus 7b, and this will be cancelled with this plus. So we will left only with 9a divided by 14. Next question is this one. So I have to take the LCM as 6, and then I have to divide this. So 2 into x plus 3 plus 5 into 3x plus 4 plus 6. Yes, so now we have to multiply this 2x plus 6 plus 15x plus 20 and plus 6. So when we are multiplying and then we will divide it by 6. 2x plus 15x will give you 17x, and 6 plus 20 plus 6 will give you 32. Divide by 6, and that is the uh, answer. With this, we came to the end of the intermediate level question. Now we will do the advanced questions. Then advanced are very important because if you want to prove yourself to be a master of that topic, then you have to do the advanced questions. I am doing the advanced questions, so let us do question number 7 here. Question number 7 and A part. And A part is saying that the question number 7 is saying factorize each of the following expression completely. 5x, and then it is here 10x, 10x, and b plus c, b plus c. Now ladies and gentlemen, this is advanced question because in this and in this we have to search the common. So 5x is here and 5x is also here. So we have to take 5x as a common from these two expressions. So it will remain here 1 and here it will be 2 into b plus c, because when we are taking 5x is a common one, so it will give you this. Now let us do part number b, and part number b is saying that 3xy, 3xy, and then it is given as minus 6x, and then it is given as y minus z. Ladies and gentlemen, you can go one step further in this, and that is 5x into 1 plus 2b plus 2c as well. So this is also correct, but you have to factorize it more so you can get that answer. In these two expressions, there are 3 and x we are having as a common. So here we will be left with y and minus 2y minus z, and then 3x, and we have to expand this minus 2y plus 2z. Now 3x, y minus 2 minus y plus 2z, and that is the ultimate answer. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will try our best to finish this exercise. If you haven't subscribed my channel, this is my second month I am doing these courses, and in these 2 months I told you to subscribe my channel. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.